guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. So today we are gonna be making this rich and sinful dark chocolate muffins. To start, we are going to melt together 57 grams of butter and 85 grams of dark chocolate. You can easily do this on a microwave or a double boiler. Next, we are going to add in our dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and sugar. In this video, I use salted butter, that's why I eliminated salt in this recipe. But if you're using unsalted butter, add in a teaspoon of salt. We are then going to add in our wet ingredients: buttermilk, vanilla, egg, and our melted butter and chocolate. We will then mix this until combined. This is optional, but here we're going to add in some chocolate chips. We are going to reserve the rest for garnish later. Here we have a lined 3 ounces cupcake tin. Since we want to achieve a domed muffin look, we are going to fill this up to the top of the tin. We will then garnish our muffins with the rest of our chocolate chips and some chopped walnuts. We will bake this into a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out with a few moist crumbs. And that's it! Our beautiful and decadent chocolate muffins is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again next week. Happy baking!